So ito yung entrance papunta ng ano, para makaride kami ng boat ride papuntang Liberty. Masakay na tayo ng ano, ng barko papuntang Statue of Liberty. Haba ng pila, oh. Yung pag ano ka lang, sir, sa pinaka-main ka lang ng Statue of Liberty, huwag kayong, hindi nyo ka lang, ano, pwede pala ng ticket dito online na i-scan mo lang yung code. Pag doon ka lang sa pinaka-paanan ng Liberty, Statue of Liberty, mag-o-online ka na lang, anytime pwede kang bumili. Kahit na isang oras bago yung ano, o kalahating oras bago yung alis ng ano, pwede ka nang bumili. Pero kung ang bibilhin, ang gusto mong makarating nung pinakagitna nung Statue of Liberty o yung pinakaulo, kailangan magpa-reserve ka ng 2 months in advance. Bumili ka na ng online ticket mo ng 2 months in advance. Tapos meron mga ano dito, mga scammer, yung nagpe-pretend sila na ano, authorized daw sila, may mga suot pang t-shirt, sando, kung ano pang may tatak na authorized agent daw sila ng ano, ng ferry ng Liberty, ng Statue of Liberty. Hindi totoo yun. Kung authorized man sila, pwede sila, kaya lang may patong sila sa presyo. Meron silang commission. So, ang mas maganda, dumirekta na kayong bumili sa online. Huwag kayong bibili doon sa mga agent na nag-iikot-ikot dito sa area na to, ng kung saan sasakay ka ng Statue of Liberty. Ay, kung saan sasakay ka sa bangka ng Statue of Liberty. So, may mga ano dito, mga agent kuno na ano, sinasabi nila, ay hindi ka pwedeng pumunta doon, bumili ka na sa akin kasi kailangan mo bumili ng online, tutulungan kita, ganyan. Tapos hindi ano, authorized kami, tapos bibigay pa yung, papakita pa yung suot nilang damit na mayroon silang nakalagay na authorized agent. Eh pwede mo naman pekehin yun, di ba? Pwede ka naman magpatatak ng ganun. So huwag kayong bibili sa mga ganun kasi pag bumili kayo sa kanila, usually may mga dagdag presyo na sila. Alam niyo yung may commission sila, mamamahalan kayo. So ang pinaka-safe talaga, bumili kayo ng online ticket. Pag bumili kayo ng ticket sa online, safe na safe yun. Tapos kung ang gusto lang naman ninyo ay makarating ng Statue of Liberty, doon lang sa may paanan niya, then pwede kayong bumili online anytime, at least 1 hour before nung ferry ride papuntang Statue of Liberty. Pero kung ang gusto niyo makarating doon sa may gitna ng Statue of Liberty o sa may pinakaulo nito, ang pinaka ano doon, kailangan mong bumili ng ticket online 2 months in advance at least, or hanggang 4 months, kasi yon fully book palagi yung ano, sold out palagi yung mga ticket na yon. So ang pinaka regular lang mabibili mo na everyday ay yung pinakapaanan lang ng Statue of Liberty. Pero ang pinaka safe talaga, bumili kayo online at wag niyong papatulan yung mga nagbebenta dito ng in person na kesyo agent daw sila. No, may i-scam kayo doon, dagdag presyo yung mga yon. Ferry. Yan, pabalik na yung ibang turista. So kami naman ang sasakay nito. Kami yung susunod na batch na. Yan, parating na yung ferry. Yan, dadaong na siya. So kami na yung susunod. Papuntang ano to, Statue of Liberty. Ang binayaran pala namin, tatlo kami, $76. Ay, 72 yata. Yeah, $72 US. Kami tatlo na yon. Tatlo na kami dun sa ride na yon. Kaya lang dun lang kami sa paanan nung Statue of Liberty.
All ashore, please. All ashore. Once again, folks, thank you.
Punuan yung ano, oh. Punuan yung boat papuntang ano, papuntang Statue of Liberty to. Ayan. So $72 ang tatlong tao binayaran namin para makasakay kami. Pero ang mapupuntahan namin yung sa pinakapaanan nung ano, Statue of Liberty. Hindi kami pwedeng umakyat doon sa pinakatyan nung Statue of Liberty o doon sa pinakaulo. Mas mahal yun at saka kailangan mo ng 2 months hanggang 4 months advance booking doon. Online buying. Yan. Yan, paalis na kami.
On behalf of the National Park Service, once again, welcome aboard. We are now on our way to the Statue of Liberty at Liberty Island. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the people of that and was officially titled, giving us the freedom and opportunity that awaited them in their new land. The steamers proceeded on into New York's harbor, and passengers got their first glimpses of Manhattan and Brooklyn. You may be able to spot the Twin Towers today. Over the years, several newer bridges have been added to the harbor's landscape, including the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, which connects Brooklyn and Staten Island. If you look out beyond the Statue of Liberty, you might see the Verrazano Bridge in the distance. You can also pass Governor's Island across the harbor to the east. It's strategically located near the mouth of the East River and was once the site of the Crystal Fortifications built to defend New York Harbor. In 2001, it was declared a national monument. The Statue of Liberty is part of the National Park System. We invite you to experience many additional enjoyable activities offered by the National Park System. Stop by the Visitor Information Center for today's schedule. An informative audio tour is included with your ticket and may be picked up when you arrive on Beach Island. It includes a 30-minute Statue of Liberty audio tour and a 45-minute audio tour of the elephant. Attention please, we are now approaching a dockside landing. If you are seated, please remain in your seats. Please exercise caution when standing or moving around the decks. Should there be any unexpected vessel movement, please hold handrails whenever possible, particularly on the stairway.
Yine. Eu vi já o centro lá.
Oh, sorry.
Pretty on, folks. Statue of Liberty. If you care to visit this island, now is the time for you to make your way to the main deck of the port boat. Once again, folks, if you care to visit this island.
The vessel is now alongside the dock. All disembarking passengers should move to the exit gangway at the forward end of the main deck. If you are using the rear stairway, please be advised that once you reach the main deck, you can walk forward on either side of the vessel to reach the exit. Please exercise caution when standing or moving around the decks should there be any unexpected vessel.
Yan, ang dami nang nakapila. Pabalik na ng New York City. Yan, galing na sila sa Statue of Liberty. Ayun, pagkahaba-haba ng pila. Nakapila na sila para sumakay ng ferry. Ang haba ng pila, no? So yung mga gustong pumunta ng Statue of Liberty, ganun kahaba ang pila pagpabalik na. I think we're gonna go there. Nald! Punta takin. Oh, yun po, hanggang doon pa yung pila. Ang haba, grabe. Hanggang doon pala yung pila, grabe. Pero mamaya siguro wala na yan. Ang haba ng pila, no? Yan, bibili po na daw kami ng pagkain at hindi pa nagbe-breakfast nung si Bunso. Ako, diet muna. Nag-breakfast na kanina. Yan, no?